Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to download all Google Photos to hard drive. And firstly you need to connect your hard drive, so I already did it, and let's check if I have it. And this one is my hard drive, so you need to open your browser, then write Google Photos, sign in into your account, and now you have multiple options how to share them. So firstly you can select the first one by just click at the check mark, then scroll down. Okay, this one is my latest photo. Press the shift button and then click also at the latest photo. Oh, I guess I missed this time, so or my shift doesn't work. No, now it worked. Yeah, and you can select all of these photos, then click at the three dots and download. But I know better option. So we can use Google Takeout service. You need to enter here. Also make sure that you sign in into your account. Now click deselect all, because we need to install it. We need to save it only from Google Photos. Then scroll down and you need to find Google Photos. And right here I have Google Photos, click at the check mark. And right here we have all photos, albums included, so we will save all of Google Photos. Then scroll down, click next step. Then using the mail, file size I'm going with 10 gigabytes. No, I guess 4 it's okay for me. So it will split our Google Photos in some folders, maybe 4, maybe even more, but you can also select 2 more. Okay, let's use 10 gigabytes. Then click create export and it will send the link on your Gmail. So we need to enter into Gmail. Now I use this account, amazing, and now we need to wait for the list. So let me speed up it for you. List. Okay, so now we have it. You need to enter here, then click download at first and the second one. Also we need to sign in. Sometimes it asks you for the password, sometimes it's not. Okay, now we should have the first one and the second one. And the first one will have nothing. Yeah, and we need to wait for the second one. Open it. And now we can send folders to the hard drive, or you can enter inside. I recommend it to sort it by size, and in this way just moving it. So we need to scroll down. Okay, we don't need JSON file. And then extract to, select your hard drive, and you can also create a folder. Let's call it test, and then send it here. Okay, and now let's check it. Did we have it? Yes, and we have it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.